Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Felicia. Thank you for stopping by. Well, in today's video, I am going to be creating my Valentine's Tablescape for 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. I am going to be using this gold placemat as my foundation for my table settings, and I am going to be using 4 table settings. I'm also going to be using this white lace charger. I'm also going to be adding this pink heart plate, and I'm also going to use this salad plate that looks like it's crackled glass. That's going to go on top, and then I'm going to top it off with this heart-shaped pastel bowl. I'm also going to be using some flatware here, which is going to be gold. And I'm also going to be using these napkins. I'm using 2. This white lace napkin with the pastel pale buffalo check. And I'm using this napkin ring, solid gold napkin ring. I'm also going to be using this clear glass as my water glass. And I'm also going to be using this pink goblet here for all our other beverages. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm also going to add some decor to this bowl, and so you will see that once the table is set. So let's get started. So here I'm just setting out each of the placemats on each of my 4 settings on this table. And this is what it looks like. Next, I'm just going to place my white chargers and add in my Valentine plates. So next, I'm just going to add my crackled glass salad plate to each setting. So now I have added these salad plates, and I chose these clear salad plates because I wanted my heart plate to show through. And so now I'm just going to add these little adorable pink bowls to each table setting. So now we're just going to add our glassware to each table setting, and I'm also going to go ahead and add the flatware as well. So now I have added in both my glassware and my flatware. I'm just giving you a closer view of how everything is progressing thus far. Then we're going to come back, and I think I'm going to add napkins next to this table. So for my accessory pieces, I'm just going to add these grapevine hearts with these red buffalo check bows attached, and I'm going to place them in each of these bowls right here. And then I'm going to add these are actually erasers, you guys. And they have little sayings on them. This one has kiss. This one has love. This one here says cute. And I'm just going to place them throughout the table just for a little whimsy. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. And I've placed the grapevine wreath with the heart in each of the bowls. And I've added my little decorative erasers here. And so now I'm just going to add in our showstopper, which is the centerpiece. So stay tuned. So now I have added the centerpiece, and I've actually shown this centerpiece and how I put it together in a previous video. I will leave that video in the iCards. I think it's the video in which I am doing some DIYs, and I created some charcuterie boards. So I'll just leave it in the iCards like I said, and you can go over and take a look at it. And so now I'm just going to give you a final reveal of this Valentine's Tablescape for 2022. Thank you so much for stopping by today. And if you enjoyed this content, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new and you would like to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.